Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and welcome to this month's unboxing video. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have to look at from viewers like you. Okay, so I goofed up big time. You see, I record these unboxing clips as soon as I get the box or letter. I'll open it, I'll get the camera, record me opening it, and then at the end of the month I'll take all those clips and compile them together. Well, I received a letter with a few goodies in it from my good friend Ryan Hawley in Spokane, Washington. I've known him for about 10 years, and I filmed the unboxing and everything. Everything went great there. But I foolishly, when I was going through my camera's SD card, I saw a file on there, and it looked like it was something I'd already saved to the hard drive on my computer, so I went on ahead and deleted it, not realizing that was the footage of Ryan Hawley's package. And so the unboxing of that is now lost forever. I tried recovering it with recovery software, but it can't recover it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to show you some of the things he sent me. He sent me this very nice letter. He basically sent me some floppy disks of some icons and other little goodies he made for various computers of mine, and as well as Windows boot screens that go along with each corresponding computer. And he made this little drawing for me of the Carolina Circle Mall logo. I think I have some of the floppy disks saved on here. Yep, Ryan Hawley. This is from when I did the original video that got deleted. But he sent me the Gateway logo there. He made a Carolina Flyer logo. Gateway 2000. The old Packard Bell logo. That's empty. And I believe this was a boot screen for my Packard Bells running Windows 3.1. Oh yeah, that was used on many systems back in the day. I believe this is the one he made. There we go. The newer Packard Bell logo. That would go good on my 406 CD, actually. And so that's just a sampling of what he sent me. So thank you again, Ryan. I'm so sorry the video of me opening your letter and everything was lost. That's my fault. So anyway, let's move on to the next package. Okay, our second and final package for this month comes to us from Michael in Roxborough, North Carolina. And so this is actually my first piece of mail or package I've received on this new little endeavor that's come from my home state. So very nice. Yeah, do this without slicing my hand off. This is a heavy box too. It weighs 14 pounds, 13 ounces. 4 pounds, 13 ounces, I mean. Let's see if I can just... There we go. Okay, we got a message here. It says, "Enjoy, Michael." And so, looks like we have a box of old CD-ROMs. So this is very exciting. Okay, got the camera repositioned. Let's see what we've got. We have a Best of Windows Games collection of favorites for Windows. Looks like Windows 3.1 stuff. Includes Blitzer, Destroyer, Duck Hunt, Hangman, Link 4, Mahjong, Sokoban, Pentanamo, and many more. And those are the many more right there. And this copyright 1996. Put that back there. Next one is Power Bytes Board and Strategy Games from Digital Impact Incorporated. I think that's who made the last one. This one's from 1995. Designed for Windows and Windows NT. The Arcade Companion CD-ROM. Dozens of exciting arcade-style shareware games on CD-ROM. Rebound, C-Run, Superfly, Square X, Aquanoid, Alpha Man, Spider Run, Galleons, plus many more, including Quattrus 2 Plus. And this comes to us from Limelight Media Incorporated from 1994. Okay, we got Best of Arcade Action Favorites. And this seems similar to the first one we saw. This has Alien Forces, Blackout, Chomp, Duck Hunt, Hurricane, Leapfrog, Soko, Slam, Yahtzee, and many more. I don't think it's actual Yahtzee, the game. Oh, look at that. And this one's also from 1996. Okay, we got the CD-ROM Fun Pack. I actually had this exact same CD as a kid. I might still have it. I don't remember. This one's a little older, from 1993. Get Pac-Man, Asteroids, Breakout, and Missile Command. Galaxy of Games. The ancient Chinese game now brought to your home computer. Includes 3D tile sets and a wide variety of unique board layouts. I absolutely love that Microsoft Windows compatible logo. Compatible with Windows 3.1 and Windows 95. And do we have a year on that? Don't believe so. Okay, Card and Casino Games Volume 1. Is that a 22nd century Elvis Presley? And there's all your card games and casino games. Need at least a 386 to play that. Okay, where were we? Oh, yes. Cats. I had the various sequels to this game growing up, but I only had the demo version of the original. And I'm very excited after 25 years or so getting to try out the full version of this game, so thank you very much. But the sequels, like 2, 3, 4, and 5, oh, I was obsessed with those games. I remember going through fan sites back in the day and downloading content, user-made content for the games. Over 1,000 Windows programs, the world's largest collection of Windows software on 2 CDs. Really? If you enjoy using Windows software, the world's largest collection of Windows software is the only collection you'll ever need. This collection packs over 1,000 programs, including word processors, games, educational and business software, and many commercial demos. Copyright 1995. And this CD right here is Platinum Plus Business Assistant. Get in control with business tools and utilities. So basically, this is just some programs to do business stuff with, productivity, good stuff like that. Copyright 1995, Limelight Publishing, LLC. We saw them a while ago. And this one looks like it's never been opened. Still got the seal on it. With a price tag from VGCC Bookstore, whatever that is. PowerBytes Business and Office Utilities works with Windows 3.1 and 95 with free unlimited usage internet email with purchase. Yeah, I'm sure that was nice and legit. Business and Office Utilities including AdMaker, Financial Freedom Billing Management, Financial Freedom Designer Envelopes, Invoice It, Pay Window, Financial Freedom Gold, POSI Track, Scheduling Employees, Visual Accounting System, and Winvelope. So, yeah, we'll check that out sometime. And if I can get this out, we have the Home Edutainment Collection, Volume 7, also from VGCC Bookstore, Windows Productivity and Utilities. Aztec Media Corporation. I wonder if that's the same Aztec that made the sound cards for Packard Bell. I'd be interested to know that. Even get a magic 8-ball. We're going to have to check that out sometime. And right here, I have something similar to this. I don't know if it's the same one, but this is just like what we saw before, except this is volume 6, so this is a little bit older. Now, my wife has been looking for something like this. This is Crossword Magic. Create and play an infinite number of crossword puzzles. Entertaining and educational for the whole family with a free bonus game on CD-ROM. And it seems to also include Netscape Navigator. So that dates this quite a bit. So yeah, that looks like that could be fun, making some crossword puzzles. Galaxy of Games Amazing Mazes. I've always loved mazes. The finest collection of mazes are now gathered on one CD-ROM. Finally. Ooh, Lemmings. I have never owned a real copy of Lemmings before. Warning, we are not responsible for loss of sanity, loss of hair, loss of sleep. This game is a classic. I've never played it much, but whenever you see a list of the best MS-DOS games of all time, this is always on there. So this was distributed by GT Interactive Software Corporation. And there's our Lemmings. So yeah, I'm glad to finally have an actual copy of, a legit copy of Lemmings. The Education Disc 95, Math, Games, Science, Religion, Music, Tutorials, and more. I can feel the dust on this. Again, this is sealed, never been opened. Over 600 megs, mostly 1994 or newer. I guess this would have been used in schools or homeschool. Ooh, now this might be interesting. DOS Edutainment. Volume 2, handpicked handpicked from the some of the best, from the some of the world's finest shareware applications. Good job with that grammar, folks. Good job. Yeah, we're gonna have to give that a try. Is that? Oh, look, there's Jazz Jackrabbit. And that looks like Lode Runner. We are going to have to try some of these out on camera someday. These are going to make for a very, very entertaining videos. Galaxy of Games Tetramania, a one-of-a-kind collection of the best Tetris-type games gathered on one CD. Oh yeah, you know, I used to be terrible at Tetris, but I've gotten better over the years, so I'll definitely try that. 1,000 plus great games plus new levels, cheats, and helpful hints. Totally fun, totally cool. Looks like Jazz Jackrabbit Holiday Hair 95. I like that. Oh, from Value Soft, I've had products from them over the years. Yeah, we are going to have to try these out. We're just going to have to. Not in this video, but let's see. Ozzy's Travels. Destination Japan. Open the world to your child. So this looks like a nice little edutainment title. Okay, compatible with Macintosh and Windows. Oh yeah, remember this logo? Made with Macromedia. Still got the business reply card in here from decades ago. And Ozzy's Travels. So, anything in this, just packing material. So, thank you so much, Michael. Thank you so much. I'm going to have fun going through these compilations, because I remember having the stuff like this back in the day. You'd find them in the bargain section of places like CompUSA, and it would have a compilation of shareware titles. So yeah, thank you very, very much, Michael. I am going to have to do some videos about some of these someday. Thank you very much, Ryan and Holly, for the goodies you sent over. I am deeply grateful. If you guys have anything you'd like to send to be seen on the Nostalgia Mall, here's the address to send it to, the Nostalgia Mall, P.O. Box 1754, Kernersville, North Carolina, 27285. And until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You may also support me on Patreon if you would like. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off.